Good morning, children. See, yesterday we saw up to 7th problem, exercise 2.5, linear equations in one variable. No one are watching videos, I know, but try to watch. Okay. See, this one, cross multiplication. This is in fraction form. So, cross multiplication. With 3, you multiply the whole number, 2x minus 3, whole equation. Here, with minus 2, with minus 2, you multiply this whole thing, 3x plus 2. Now, 3 2s are 6x, minus into plus minus, 3 3s 9. Here, minus into plus minus, 2 3s 6x, minus into plus minus, 2 2s 4. All the variable terms you take, you transpose to the left hand side. All the constant terms you transpose it to the right hand side. 6x minus 6x, if you transpose it to the left hand side, plus 6x. Here minus 4, if you transpose minus 9 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 9. So 6x 6x 12x. Different symbols means subtraction. 9 minus 4 5. Before big number plus is there, so put plus. X is equal to 5. Here it is multiplication. If you transpose to the right hand side, it becomes division. So solution of this particular equation is x is equals to 5 by 12. Next, ninth one you see. 8b, same method. You do it your own. We'll go for 10th one. We'll go for 10th one. 10th one is somewhat different. 7y plus 2 by 5, single digit. Here two equations only. Here only one digit is equals to 6y minus 5 by 11. So here also same cross multiplication only. Cross multiplication. With 11 you multiply 7y plus 2 is equals to, with 5 you multiply 6y minus 5. 11 into 7, 77y. 11 into 2 plus 11 2s are 22. 5 into 6, 5 6 are 30, 30y minus 5 5s are 25. Now 77, all the variable terms you transpose it to the left hand side, all the constant terms to the right hand side. 77y, here plus, if you transpose it, minus 30y is equal to minus 25. If you transpose this, minus 22. So 77 minus 30, 7 minus 0, 7, 7 minus 3, 4. Before big number plus is there, put plus, is equals to minus 5 plus 2, 7, 2 plus 2, 4, 47. Y is equals to minus 47. If you transpose this, here it is multiplying. If you transpose it to the right hand side, it becomes plus. Sorry, multiplication means division. Parts on ones, parts on ones. Y is equals to minus is there. Minus 1 is the solution of that particular equation. Okay. Next, 11th one also like the previous problem only. Okay, we'll see the 11th one. Just go through it. 11th one also. Next, 11th one somewhat different. X plus 5 by 6 minus x plus 1 by 9 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. Now you see, first to take LCM. If there is only one term means we can just cross multiply. But here two terms are there, in between minus is there. So first to take LCM, 6 9s, 6 comma 9. LCM of 6 comma 9. What is LCM? 3 2s, 3 3s. So 3 into 2 into 3. 3 2s are 6, 6 3s are 18 is the LCM. So 18 is the LCM. To make it 18, this denominator, to make it 18, you multiply the 6 with the 6 3s are 18. If you multiply with 3, this numerator also should be multiplied with 3. Here 9 2s 18. To make it 18, you multiply you multiply this denominator with 2. In the same way, you multiply the numerator also with 2 only. Okay, now multiply 3 into x, 3x. plus 3 5s 15. Minus means keep minus like that only. 2 into x 2x, 2 into 1 plus 2. Now x plus 3 you write as it is, this one. Again 3x plus 15, you remove minus, minus 2x minus 2 by 18 is equals to x plus 3 by 4. Now see the like terms, 3x minus 2x. It becomes a different symbol, so subtraction 3x minus x is x. X plus 15 minus 12. Different symbol, subtraction 15 minus 2, 13 before big number, plus is there, so put plus by 18 is equal to x plus 3 by 4. Now you cross multiply. See, cross multiply. With 4 you multiply x plus 13. With 4 you multiply x plus 13. With 18 you multiply 7x plus x plus 3, sorry. This is 13 ma. Here 18. 18 into x plus 3. Now 4 into x, 4x plus 13 4s 52. 18 into x, 18x. 18 3s 54. 18 3s 54. Yes, 54 only. Like terms, 4x variable terms you take to the left hand side, minus 18x, this one. Here 54, bring this one to the right hand side, that is minus 52. So 18 minus 4, 18 minus 4, 14. Before big number minus is there, so put minus x is equal to 54 minus 52, 2. So x is equals to 2 by, here it is multiplying, if you transpose, division. So x is equals to 1 by 2 ones, 2 sevens, 1 by 7. So x is equals to minus 1 by 7 is the solution. Minus 1 by 7 is the solution. In this way we have to solve the problems. Okay. Last and final problem of this exercise. After this we have completed the chapter also. I am not saying the word problems, only we are seeing the concept. How to solve the equation, how to find the solution. In this way we are going. Okay. Next, last and final one. (3t) 11th one. 3t plus 1 by 16 minus 2t minus 3 by 7 is equals to t plus 3 by 8 plus 3t minus 1 by 14. See here two fractions are there. Here also two fractions are there. So we just take, see 8 is there, no? You bring this 16 to the right hand side, and here 7 is there. Otherwise, better. You take this 2t minus 3 to the right hand side, it becomes plus 3t plus 1 by 16. You take this one to the left hand side. Because 16, 8, it's very easy. Minus t plus 3 by 8 is equals to 3t minus 1 by 14. 7, 14, LCM is very easy. That's why I am taking. Plus 2t minus 3 by 7. Now what is the LCM for this one? If you find LCM also, you will get 16 only. So 16. 3t plus 1 minus of 8 into 2. 8 2 is 16. To make it 16, we are multiplying with 2. If you multiply the denominator, you have to multiply the numerator also with 2. So 2 into t plus 3 is equals to, here also same, the LCM is 14. Here 14 only. So 3t minus 1. Here To make it 14, you have to multiply with 2. Here also you have to multiply with 2. 2 into 2t minus 3. Okay, now multiply 3t plus 1 minus 2 into t, 2t. Minus into plus minus 2 3s are 6 by 16 is equals to 3t minus 1 plus 2 2s are 4t plus into minus minus 2 3s are 6 by 14. Now see same like terms 3t minus 2t, t only. 3t minus t, t. Before big number plus is there, so plus. Minus plus constant terms plus 1 minus 6 minus 5 minus 5 by 16 is equals to before big number minus is there. Here 3t 4t 70 minus 1 minus 6 minus 7 by 14. Okay. See here cross multiply. You can take 7 as common, no? T minus 5 by 16 is equal to 7. You take common t. Here 1 by 14. 7 ones, 7 twos. Now t minus 5 by 16 is equal to t minus 1 by 2. Cross multiplication. With 2 you have to multiply t minus 5. Here with 16 you have to multiply t minus 1. So 2 into 2, 2t. 2 into 5, 10. Plus into minus minus. 16 into t, 16t. Plus into minus minus, 16 ones are 16. Now take all the constant variable terms to the left hand side. 2t minus 16t. Here minus 16. If this one transpose to the right hand side plus 10. So 16 minus 2, 14t minus before big number minus is there. Here also minus 16 minus 10, 6. So t is equals to, see left hand side and right hand side, if you multiply with minus, this one gets cancelled. So 14t is equal to 6. T is equal to 6 by, here it 14 is multiplying. If you transpose to the right hand side, it becomes division. 2 3s are 2 7s are. So 2 is equal to 3 by 7 is the solution for that particular problem. Okay. See, by this problem we completed this chapter. Tomorrow we'll see that next new chapter. Before going to that new chapter, we have one small test on this chapter. Okay. Thank you.